So it is currently 4:57 in the morning and I'm freezing cold. Discipline sucks when it feels like a chore. You have your phone screaming at you for attention and it's exhausting. But what if I told you that discipline doesn't have to be painful? What if it could be so fun that staying inconsistent actually feels worse? Right now, you're stuck in a loop. You start strong, maybe go 2 or 3 days, but then boom, you're stuck in the same exact place as you were before, scrolling, frustrated, and wanting to do nothing with your life. But today I'm going to teach you how discipline can be flipped on its head and can be something that you actually enjoy. Because when discipline can be fun, consistency can be effortless. I wasn't always like this, being here recording at 5 a.m. in the morning. I was just like you. In fact, I was scrolling on my phone for hours, watching things I shouldn't have been watching online, and just failing to stick to my own plans that I had dreamed of doing up until now. But once I learned how to make discipline fun, literally everything in my life changed. I got more done in less time and started waking up feeling more excited rather than just feeling like I had to force myself to be productive, right? And the crazy part is that I stopped needing any motivation. I create my videos with the intention to inspire you, not to motivate you. And I say that because I give you lessons within each of my videos that you can take action on today. Not just keep going, well done. It's gonna be things that you can learn from and therefore take action. I hate motivational videos, but if I motivate you and inspire you to take action, well, that's a different story. Because when you enjoy the process, you don't just rely on motivation, you just do it. Here's why discipline feels miserable for most people. Your brain craves dopamine. It wants excitement, rewards, fun, and when you compare studying, working out, or waking up early in the morning to endless entertainment on your phone, of course it feels boring. Your brain is stuck in an instant gratification loop. Scrolling, notifications, it's fast dopamine. But here's the secret, you don't need to get rid of dopamine. You just need to hack it. I used to hate waking up early. It felt like a punishment. In fact, I haven't even been to sleep yet and I've been awake since yesterday. But then I thought, what if I made my mornings something that I'm actually looking forward to? So I gamified it. I made it a competition with myself. Every morning I beat my alarm, I earned points. Every workout, every completed habit became a win. And suddenly, it was fun. Same with working out, right? Instead of seeing it as a discipline, I saw it as an experiment. Trying new exercising, setting crazy milestones, and just making it into a game instead of a chore. And my phone that I have in my hands right here, instead of quitting screen time, I changed it for other dopamine sources. Instead of scrolling, I listen to podcasts to hype me up when I'm going on walks to the gym or to work or to school when I was a little bit younger. Instead of watching random videos on Instagram or TikTok, I would actually do what would gain me skills for my future, and watching YouTube videos just like this. I learned skills that actually made my life better. The more fun I made discipline, the less willpower I actually needed to use. And that's the key here. When something is fun, consistency becomes automatic. And that's why I'm here recording a video once again at this time of the morning and freezing. That's why my nose is red sometimes on my videos. So here is the 3-step fun discipline framework that you can follow today. Number 1, gamify your habits. Track your streaks, reward yourself for wins, and turn your habits into a competition. If it feels like a game, you'll actually enjoy doing it. 2 is to swap dopamine sources. You don't need to quit screen time. You just need to replace the junk dopamine with dopamine that actually benefits you. Listen to hype playlists. Binge watch my content that will push you forward and inspire you to take action. And you'll make learning more exciting. And 3, attach fun to hard things. And if you hate working out, then try something else. If reading feels boring, then try audiobooks. If waking up early sucks, then plan something exciting for the morning the day before. It's called Plan Tomorrow Today. make sure you plan your morning the day before because it will give you so much ease of mind. Fun destroys resistance. For the next 7 days, I challenge you to make discipline more fun. And remember, I said this in a lot of my videos already, but just pick one habit, whether it's waking up early, going to the gym, improving your appearance, which some of you are curious on knowing how I did that myself. And just find a way to gamify this. Track it, challenge yourself, and make it exciting. I think that the thing that you have to understand here is that over time, when you start failing more and more and more, and you have this feeling within you that you'll achieve nothing in life, I would get that a lot. And so what I did was I literally just let myself accept it. But it's very difficult to accept, right? So how did I actually manage to do that? Well, when I was like around 15, 16 years old was when I was actually starting self-improvement stuff. And then I started failing right after I just like couldn't even stay consistent. What I ended up doing was I was just able to pick one thing and just focus on that. Because that's what people told me to do. I was doing so many different things at once. And I know I've said this on my videos before of like, just pick one thing, pick one habit, take one small step, like action step towards it. But I think it's really important for you to know that based on how you're feeling right now, feeling hopeless, feeling like you won't achieve anything, I think it's really important for me to tell you that like the reason why I'm telling you to take one step, one action towards it and just picking one habit is because that's the way you're going to get rid of this feeling of being a failure and feeling hopeless constantly day by day. So if you've watched my shorter videos and you're wondering why like you feel hopeless still and nothing seems to work, well, I'm guessing, and you probably aren't doing one habit or one thing. You're doing so many different things, and I think if you just learn to take that step forward in whatever you're trying to achieve, whether it's talking better to people, right, being better socially, right, improving your communication, which is really important, improving your looks, getting rid of being on your phone for so long and having such a lack of discipline, then I think this video should help you, just from me telling you this and hopefully you understanding. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video very quick for you and I hope you take it on board. And yeah, remember, one step, one action that you can take today, and just do that every single day, because 1% improvement over the year will be 365 days, right? A percent of improvement, and that's huge. So drop a comment below and let me know what habit you're turning into a game. And if this helped you, subscribe to my email newsletter below and I'll give you these insights and actionable steps that you can do for you personally, because I'm here to make discipline more fun and effortless. Until next time.